Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're just going to go through this fault code here, P0088-17, fuel rail system pressure too high. This is a Land Rover Sport V8 diesel. Now this is to do with the fuel rail pressure sensor, this specific code. It could be other things, but in this case it is that, and they are common for it and they are known. Now, before you buy anything, my advice would be to ring dealership up and give them the reg and see if there is a recall on them, because there is recall on the fuel rail pressure sensors, but it's best to double check before you start buying it. It's not very expensive, maybe a few quid, but it's best if you do it through the recall. Why should you have to pay? So I'll show you where the location is. So on here, on the left side, it is literally to be found there. That's it there, where that bolt is. How easy it is to get to is not hard. I mean, it's this here. You'll have to move some pipings. It is a bit of a faff, but there it is. It's a case of just replace. It would be best to do a diagnostic after, reset the adaptions and whatnot, but you don't even need to do that, to be fair. Just replace it and get cracking. I mean, the sort of signs and symptoms you'll probably get is car probably won't start. There'll probably be a lack of power. It sounds rough, very solid, rather than a normal crunchy sound like this. It'll be very rigid in that sense. But yeah, that's where it is, and I would highly recommend if you get a OEM. Please do get a OEM, because if not, you'll probably be in the same boat. I've said it on all my videos, OEM parts are far better than aftermarket cheap stuff. But yeah, that's your code there, guys.